What's up, guys? Here we got the SU-35 in the process of getting everything together. I also finished most of the I still need to make extensions for the ESC to the motor, but I'm waiting for parts to come in from Hobby King right now. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna test the system to make sure it works properly. As you can see in my previous video, I've programmed the ESCs to run on the same timing. I've plugged in everything here. I got my 10 amp BEC plugged in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in the system. Okay, and then I'm just going to hold this in my hand. I don't recommend doing this just because for obvious reasons, but I'm also going to face it this way. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my wife go ahead and power up the motors, and we're going to hear just how smooth these fans really are. That's one thing I really wanted to show, is that these fans are extremely smooth. Mark over at Extreme RC did a great job at balancing these. I feel no vibrations in the system throughout the throttle positions. It's smooth throughout, and I just want to show you guys just how smooth they are. So just go ahead, babe. So I don't if you guys could hear that. I mean, there was no, when she powered up the motor, there was no rattling sounds or anything like that. As soon as the motors kicked in, the transitions were smooth. Everything was smooth throughout, and let me tell you, it just sounds amazing. So I'm excited to put it inside the SU-35, and hopefully everything works out. So as I start to do that, I'm going to go ahead and have other videos while I'm installing the motors, and while I'm making the connections for the ESC to the motors as well. So we're going to power it up one more time for you guys, just so you guys could hear it, and then we'll go ahead and cut the video. Okay, guys, just a real quick video. This is what I'm going to be using to secure down my Extreme RC EDF units. They don't have any brackets, as you can see, so instead of using regular epoxy or CA glue to set them down, I wanted to use this liquid nails adhesive silicone. And what this I think the theory, I think, of what it will do is it will reduce, I mean, these should already be extremely balanced, so there shouldn't be very many vibrations, but in case there are any vibrations, what the silicone adhesive is going to do is it's going to dampen those vibrations, so you don't hear the vibrations resonating throughout the body of the frame. So that's what I'm going for. I'm going for silent motor, but you're going to be able to hear the whoosh sound, basically the whitewash sound coming out of the nozzles, and that's what I'm going for. And the less vibrations that you hear coming through the plane, the better you'll be able to hear that. So that's what I'm going for. So that's what I'm going to use for setting down these ESCs. I'm going to start getting I need to extend the end cap wires over here. I need to solder a couple wires to extend the leads so that the ESCs are supposed to rest in here, and then the wires are supposed to reach from here over to the motor, which is over here. So I need quite a bit of rope, so to speak, some wire. So I'm gonna get started on that, and then while I'm doing that, once I get done with that, then we'll go ahead and move forward. But that's my update for now. Thanks for watching.